Welcome to this short introduction video about Bancha. Bancha seamlessly integrates CakePHP 2 on the server with ExtJS 4 and Sencha Touch 2 on the client. It follows the CakePHP rapid development approach, so you don't have to do any complicated configurations, just set it up, include the plugin, and it's ready to go. So about the idea. On the back end, you're using CakePHP. CakePHP implements MVC. On the client side, you're using ExtJS or Sencha Touch. Both of them are also using the MVC model. So when you would have to write code now, you would create CakePHP models, you would create controllers, you write ExtJS or Sencha Touch specific views. Then you have to write a second time all model definitions, which also connect to the views of the CakePHP server. After that, you have to write controllers and views in ExtJS. Bancha is now handling all the views and all the ExtJS models. It provides standard implementation for all views. You don't have to touch any of them anymore. And it automatically transforms all CakePHP model definitions into ExtJS model definitions. It also handles race conditions, marshalling, and data uploads. In CakePHP, you just have to add the Bancha remotable behavior to every model which should be remotably accessible. And then you have to add to every controller a return value. This is actually 5 lines of code, and your models are already ready to go on the client side. Bancha is transforming all field definitions from Cake into ExtJS. It also transforms validation rules, associations, and it sets up all the communication configurations so that everything works without touching anything. On ExtJS, you only have to use one line, which is Bancha on model ready. Here you enter the model name. So for example, Bancha on model ready user to load the user model definitions. And then a callback what should happen when the model is ready. This is huge. It saves you of hundreds of configurations from marshalling and loads of data transformations. Through intelligent mapping, Bancha also out of the box provides for any remotable model form submit functions, which are also able to upload files. And you can make any controller methods on the Cake side you want remotable by simply adding a PHP doc Bancha remotable to it. This was a short introduction to Bancha. You can find additional screencasts, documentation, and samples on our website.